Welcome back to the class again today. I hope you all enjoyed yesterday. Yes? It's a Sunday. No need to open any book, no class, nothing. Yes? Did you all enjoy yesterday, Father? Yes? Did you read? Okay. You are very good children, no? Yes? What are the small ones, no? At least for the next year, whatever you can do, make it a card and nicely present to your mother, to your father on their birthdays, on their special day. Okay, children? At least by next time onwards, try to do it. Then your parents will feel very, very, very happy. And children, are you going outside for play? Yes, no, you are going outside. Yes, and nicely eating the outside food, buying all the packets, kurkure, lays and everything. Yes, eating the junk food. Yes, no, but whatever your mother is giving for you to eat the fruits and everything, but you are not eating that one. Yes, yes, no. Children nowadays outside it's not good. So be careful. Don't go outside to play. Try to be sit at home only and eat all the healthy food, especially fruits, all types of fruits and all types of vegetables. What your mother is giving for you to eat. Don't hesitate. Don't tell them, no, I won't like this. Every day you are giving the same curry. No. But whatever your mother is giving, the heart is taking. Okay, children? Will you obey? Okay. Now let's come to the class. Are you ready with your book? Pencil and eraser? Just for 5 minutes, I will recall you everything what I taught you in the last 3 classes. Okay? Then we will go for the first today's topic. What I taught you in these 3 days? How to write the capital letters and small letters, and how to write small letters in the lines, in the 2 lines properly. Yes? Next, 2-letter word a little bit, 3-letter words a bit, and after that, arranging the letters in alphabetical order. Yes or not? Did you remember everything or forgot everything? Only 1 day gap you got? No, you forgot everything? No. Just turn the pages back and check once. Now today, I am going to show you the jumble word. I will give, first don't copy anything. I will show you on the board. After that, I will give the words for you. Then you can copy. Okay? How to arrange and make a new word from the irregular letters. First, the first one I am going to give for you See children, everything for you, I am drawing the lines and showing for you. You too follow the same so that your handwriting also automatically will improve. Okay children? Children, first write today's date. Today's date is 22/6/2020. Now in between the 2 lines I am writing everything. You too follow the same thing, but just 2 or 3 examples I will explain for you. After that, I will give the words for you to write. Now the first one I am going to give for you is N-A-M. Can you pronounce this word properly? N-A-M. Like that only you can read. Yes or not? Or lamb. Lamb. What is it, lamb? It's just a funny word like it is. If we arrange these letters in correct order, in a correct way, we will get a beautiful word. If I arrange it, just you try to answer it and tell to your mother, what is that word? Before that I write on the board. What the word you will get with these three letters? Make a three-letter word here. It's a M, A, N. What is that word? Pronounce it, all of you. All of you pronounce it. What is this word? M-A-N. Man. Yes, no? That's a very easy. Now, I'm not going to tell you all the difficult words. What the simple words, what you learned in a first class, that you know very well. Only that word I am going to show. Okay, children? Next, another word I will explain you. Excuse me. Children who don't copy afterwards, I will give for you again. So another word is U N S. U N S. Can you combine these three letters and read it? UNS. What is it? Do you get any word? A beautiful word like man? No. Then try to answer this. What the word you will get from these three letters? If you arrange them in order, get S U N. Sun. Yes or not? Is it clear, children? Yes? No problem. If you are new also, at least try to continue from here. There won't be any problem. Okay, ma'am? And next, another one word I will explain for you is, another three letters I am going to give for you. It is, what shall I give for you? E, O, N. E, O, N. What you will get with these three letters? What is the word you get with this? Get, O, N, E. One. Yes, no? Like this. Now, I will give you some words on the board. You try to answer them. I will give time for you to copy everything. Before I write the answer, first you copy the question and you try to write the answer. Children, be careful touching the two lines. Write neatly. After copying the letters, keep one finger gap, keep small hyphen, that means small dash, and again after that keep one finger gap and write your answer. Follow the same. Okay, children? Then your handwriting will look very good. Yes? Now, children, be ready with your pencil and notebook. Okay? I am going to give some words for you on the board and you try to answer them. The small words, simple words only I will give for you. Don't get worried. Okay? That's it, children. You are having the double rule book. The lines are like this. You try to write in the double rule book. Okay? Don't write in the white pages book. If you write in the white pages book, your handwriting will become dirty. Even though if you write very well, if you start writing in the white pages book, it becomes very dirty because you can't write properly. There won't be any lines. So, better have a book like this, the double rule book, and write in that one. Okay, ma'am? For your sake, I am drawing the lines like this and showing for you on the board. So, you no need to draw the lines because already you are having the notebook like that only. Yes, no? Now, The first one I am going to give for you on the board is A, F, N. Now see here all of you. A in between the two lines, N between the two lines, F. It should go above the line, touching the below line. Be careful and write down. After copying these three letters like this, keep one finger gap, small dash, again keep one finger gap and write the answer here. You try to answer it. What the word you will get? A, F, N. I give the clue for you. I give the clue for you. F I told. The word starts with letter F. What the word you will get? You try to write. Children, try to write the word. F. Completed. Shall I write the answer on the board? It is F A N. Fan. F A N. Fan. You know, fan. Yes, no? Next, the second one. Again, children, be careful and write properly, touching the two lines each and every time I am repeating for you, touching the two lines, the I and the dot above the line. A little bit gap must be there for the line and the dot. Be careful. Don't touch this like this and write. It becomes L, not I. Yes? So, touching the two lines at once, above the line, give a little bit gap and keep a small dot. I, okay? Yes, in between the two lines, and T. Touching the down line, it should go up. And this small line should be above this double line. Be careful that one. Don't write it wrong, that is, some of you will write T like this and the line here. But it is wrong. Sometimes you can't understand what is that letter and by mistake you will read it as another letter. So to avoid that confusion, if you write T like this with small line above that line, then it will be clear for you to read. And also, don't write a T like this. Okay? A small curve must be there for small t. Then only it gives the meaning for you is a small t. Okay, children, are you following? Yes. Now, what is this word? Keep finger gap, hyphen, again finger gap, and write the word. What is it word? I-S-T. What the new word you will get with those three letters? I-S-T. What you will get? Write down in your book, all of you. Completed writing? Is the word you get is I-T. Sit. S-I-T. Sit, you get that word. Okay. Next. L O D. L O D. Keep finger gap, small dash, hyphen. Again keep finger gap and write the answer, all of you, in your book. L O D. What the word you will get? Write down in your notebook and show to your mother, all of you. And afterwards, I will write the answer on the board and check your answer. L O D. Will you get D O L? D O L. Is it the correct spelling? D O L? No. It's not a D-O-L. D-O-L. Doll is a D-O-L. L you will get, not D-O-L. So you get the word here, old. O-L-D. Old. Yes, children? Another one I will give for you. U-R-N. U-R-N. Try to write the answer in your book, all of you. U-R-N. With the three letters, what the word you will get? Write down. Yes, completed writing the answer. We'll get the word R-U-N. Run. Next, another word. T-E-P. T-E-P. See children how to write P. From the top line, that line should go down below the line and the off circle should be in between the two lines, touching the two lines, above line and below line. See carefully, T should go up, E in between the two lines and a P off circle in the middle of the two lines and the line should go down. Don't write P like this in the middle of the two lines. This is wrong. Okay? It is a T-E-T. What shall I get the word with this T-E-T? The completed writing the answer. I am writing on the board. T-E-T. What is it? Pet. Are you having a pet dog in your house? Yes? You are having? You all like the puppies. Yes? So, we get the new word here. T-E-T. Okay, children? So, did you copy all these 5 words? Sometime I will give for you. You copy it. Next, I will explain you. I will show you the 4-letter word. Yes, children, completed. I am erasing it. Go open the next page, go for the next page and copy the next 5 words. That are 4-letter words. Children, is the board clear for you what I am writing on the board? Can you see properly? Okay, no problem? Okay. Now, 4-letter words I am giving on the board. You copy and write down. The first one, O, C, O, K. See children, small K how I wrote it. The line should go above and the V should be in middle of the two lines. The remaining letters in between the two lines. O, C, O, K. What the new word you get? After copying these letters, keep finger gap. Keep your finger like this and keep the hyphen. And again keep finger gap and write the answer. O-C-O-K. What the word you get? Completed writing in your book the answer? I am writing the answer on the board, you see. What the word we get? C-O-O-K. Cook. Mother cooked food now for you. Tell me the food. Whatever the items you want, mother prepares and give for you to eat. Yes? Either the snacks or the variety of tiffin. Yes, no? You also will help your mother in cooking? Yes? You will help? Very good, children then. Next, coming to another word. A-I-R-N. All the letters in between the two lines. A-I-R-N. Copy it. Finger gap. Add fun. And again keep finger gap. And write the answer. What the word you get? Try to write that answer. Yes, shall I write? It is R-A-I-N. Rain. You like rain. Yes? If it is raining outside, you want to go out and play, but your mother will scold. Yes? If you are in the school nicely, you will ask Miss, urgent Miss, and you will run out from the class. Yes, no children? And you will enjoy the rain. You want to become wet in the rain, and slowly after 10 minutes you will come back. Now you are not having the choice because your mother will scold you if you go outside. Yes? Next, we will go for another word. O-D-O-G. See here. O in between the two lines. D, the circle towards the left side. And D line up. O and G, the circle must be two lines. And that one should go down and a little bit circle like just curve. A small curve towards left side. O-D-O-G. What the word you get? With this 4 letters, we get the word good. We get the word good. You are good children. Yes? The good children are bad children. They are all good children. Yes?